6 miles to go. How you feel? Yeah. Hey, Sunburn, California. Glen Aulin. I think Sutton's having a good time.
Rip them off. There you go, say cheese. Cheese. Cheese.
Well, day one. We made it. We're getting destroyed by mosquitoes right now.
Completely.
6 mile hike. It's actually harder than I thought.
Yeah.
What about you?
I think so. Sud's not
the tent set up.
Here, no, wait till
Sud
that's
wants
done.
a tripod, but
Here.
I'm not gonna let him.
No, honey, he said he's all done.
And yeah. We'll see y'all tomorrow. Maybe a good video on the tent. All in all, good first day. Go Yosemite. See his face? So campsite. Sutton's taking us in some snacks. She is the old hyperlight. All done? Okay. The waterfall over there. Yeah, pretty cool spot. A little fire ring. Beautiful morning here, day 2. Check out, going to some falls. Man, it doesn't get better than this. Keep going, honey. Check her out, check her out. like a good spot or what? How you feeling, Sutton? We had some good breakfast by the waterfall, by our camp. Might go to some swimming holes. It'll be a good day. Man, this is cool. Easy access. Good hiking. Not a hard hike. Wow. Oh yeah. Son, you about to take a nap? Not yet?
Say cheese!
Wow. I haven't seen a rock in this big. Check it out. Leconte Falls. Word to the wise, we wanted a swimming hole. Don't come to Leconte Falls. It's just a constant downhill. Great views. The swimming holes are all near the beginning of the trail. So now we get to go back up. I don't know, 1,500 feet or so.
I think 500.
My watch said, don't listen to her.
They made it look like nothing.
That hurts. Sutton, you want to say something for the camera? Well, we just jumped in. Ice cold water, it's freezing. Really cold. I'm cold right now. Just jumped in there. That was cold. Wow. It's beautiful though. I'll dry off. Woo. Woo. Pretty cool spot. Been here about 2 hours. Probably gonna head back to camp soon and chill, easy day. Into day 2 and sunset waterfall with the view. Son, you having fun? Go ahead, throw it for the camera. Throw it as far as you can. Yay! Forgot to say, this is a spot right by Glen Aulin, High Sierra Base Camp. Definitely worth it. Another cool spot. We're gonna call it a day. I keep finding these cool spots, so it is what it is. Getting our 6-mile trek back to the car. We're doing some day stuff. Packs feel heavier today, but it is what it is. Stone Glacier. Were you 2 miles in?
1.7.
1.7. Getting there slowly but surely. Almost at the end. Not gonna lie, that was pretty brutal. Basically going in was downhill, and all the way back from Glen Aulin is uphill. But it was fun. Almost there, see the car.
Final stretch.
So that's it.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. And there's the car. Peace.